In this video, I'm going to be cooking Christmas breakfast. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm cooking and how I cook, then you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating on a budget a bit easier. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell twice, and you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now, I am participating in an open invitation collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled A Christmas Morning Breakfast of 2019. And it is hosted by two wonderful YouTubers, Cynthia of She's So Blessed and Grandma Sandy. Now, if you haven't heard of these two ladies' channels, I will link their channels along with the playlist to the challenge in my description box when it becomes available. Now, let me go and talk to you more about this challenge. Here are the rules. The rules are very simple. Now, I'm going to read from my notes to make sure I get this correctly. They want us to use the hashtag, which I will run on the screen. Hashtag Christmas Morning Breakfast 2019. Number 2, they want you to mention their channels, mention both hosts in the channel, and link them in your playlist. They want you to make a special Christmas breakfast no longer than 20 minutes or less. Upload your video on Friday, December 20th at 9 a.m. or later that day. So, with all this being said, Stephanie's running a little late today. So let's get on with this cooking. Okay, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be cooking. I am going to be cooking some pancakes, fried eggs, some sausage, hash browns, and bacon. Yes, I asked my husband what he thought would be a good breakfast that he wanted to eat, and this is what he named. So this is what we're cooking this morning. So let me go ahead and preheat my stove. While that's going, now I need to get my bowl and mix my pancake mix.
little bit stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. But I'm not no other, so why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Oh, wish I could keep you a little bit longer. Could make us feel a little bit stronger. Oh, ooh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, and you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead compare myself to her. But I'm like no other, so why do I bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. 'Cause the door's now. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. God knows we tried. Yeah. Our time is up. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Oh, yeah.
All right, here is the finished product. This is my husband's plate with the bacon, sausage, eggs, and hash browns and pancakes. He'll be having coffee, orange juice, there's his butter, and the syrup. Yes, he likes blackbird syrup. And here's my plate with the pancakes, sausage, bacon, and hash browns. And I'll be having hot chocolate, orange juice, and there's my butter. So here is our Christmas breakfast. This will hold us all day. If you haven't gone already, check out CreativelyMsMe.com. Check out my blog. I have also created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. And make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And always continue to the end. There's always something new on that last screen. And if you like my content, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. And as always, this is Stephanie from CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.